Hello everyone, Jai Swaminarayan. Effective Technical Communication. The subject code is 313004 in third SEM. Effective Technical Communication. Unit 4. Unit 4. Ethics in Engineering. Unit 4. Ethics in Engineering. Here when you listen this word ethics in engineering, you have to understand the importance of engineering practices for the benefit of public, to understand the need to learn and know the ethical codes of engineering practice over and above the basic science of engineering also. So let's start ethics in engineering. Unit 4. These are the contents of Unit 4. Introduction, scope of engineering ethics, accepting and sharing responsibilities, responsible professionals and ethical corporations, resolving ethical dilemmas, making moral choices. These are the contents of Unit 4, Ethics in Engineering. First of all, we must have to be able to understand definitions of ethics. The word ethics is derived from the Greek word ethos. Derived from the Greek word ethikos, it means character or custom, habit or dispositions. It is concerned with the principles of right conduct. It deals with concepts such as right and wrong, good and bad, and responsibility. Here, we must be able to understand whatever the decisions we are taking, we must have to think twice. Whatever I am doing, is it good for us, good for community, society, or not? So, when narrowly defined according to its original use, ethics is a branch of philosophy that used to study ideal human behavior and ideal ways of being. The branch of philosophical study that focuses on ethics is concerned with studying or building up a current set of rules or principles by which people ought to live. So, at its simplest, ethics is a system of moral principles. Ethics, moral principles, and that governs a person's behavior or conducting an activity. They affect how people make decisions and lead their lives. Engineering ethics, here the word first of all engineering ethics, उसमें हमें ethics पढ़ना है कि ethics is also concerned with what is good for individuals and society and is also described as moral philosophy. Moral philosophy in a way, whatever you are doing, is it wrong, good or bad? It is a theoretical study of ethics is not normally something that many people would regard as being necessary in order to conduct their everyday activities. In place of, they must have to focus on ethical frameworks. Most people instead carry around a useful set of day-to-day rules of thumb that influence and govern their behavior. Commonly, these include rules such as it is wrong to steal, it is right to help people in need, like that. So it is called moral. Here I have also shared one example of moral. Introduction. Share one example of unethical practice. Unethical practice. Here you must have to be aware of what is called unethical. As you all know that There is one incident which was happened on May 24, 2019. Fire broke in a coaching institute which claimed 22 young lives. There was unethical practices done at many instances which involved a decision by an engineer of Surat Municipal Corporation SMC who had regularized the illegal structure of three storied complex. Unethical practice. Here, unethical practice which were done by the builders and coaching class owners. They are responsible for that. In this case, firstly, the builders built illegal constructions. Then there was only one exit in the top floor, and to add to this, the coaching institute owner added dome to add more classes. There was no fire safety either in the manufacturing unit from where the fire started nor the coaching institute also. Share one example, SMC, Surat Municipal Corporation, here we have shared you. And secondly, the SMC failed to make ethical decisions of not allowing the constructions. They have to take after the incident which was happened of fire, they have to take ethical decisions. And how important the engineering knowledge of for safety. But before we are going to discuss engineering knowledge for safety. Thirdly, the fire brigade failed to reach the place on time also, and when they reached, they were not well equipped. So, whosoever is have done engineering, a person must have a full knowledge regarding his own knowledge, practical knowledge, and what is good and moral safety for the society also. So, they have to think about moral, how important the engineering knowledge for society. Obviously, engineering knowledge is more important for society because engineering is transforming science into useful products for human comfort. Engineering is transforming science into useful products for human comforts. They have to think it. How ethics fits into engineering? किस तरह ethics वो engineering में fit हुआ, कैसे वो आया, how they can implement it through their practices, knowledgeable skills also. In two types, build products such as cell phones, home appliances, heart valves, bridges and cars. Day by day, engineers they are market में new technologies, new techno savvy around new techno savvy वो implement करते हैं, but they have to think twice कि is it good and moral for the society or community. In general, they advance society by building new technology. Yeah, they advance society by building new technology. People around, they are doing many more things, but they have to think twice. जो भी research वो कर रहे हैं, but they have to think it is it useful or not. Second, develop processes. Whatever the process they are developing, such as the process to convert salt water into fresh water. सॉल्ट वाटर की जो प्रोसेस है उनको फ्रेश वाटर में दे ट्रांसफ़र करते हैं. दे हैव टू बी ऑल्सो केयरफुल टू इज इट अच्छे से हो रहा है कि नहीं है, इज इट ब्रांड सॉल्ट बाहर आ रहा है कि नहीं, और द प्रोसेस टू रीसाइकल बॉटल्स जो भी प्रोसेस है वो अच्छी हो रही है कि नहीं है, जो भी प्रोसेस मार्केट में हो रही है इज इट गुड और नॉट. These processes change how we live. It also it affects on us how we live and what we can accomplish. This is a picture of Surat fire accident which was happened on 24th May 2019. Unethical accident, unethical behavior also. What is the scope of engineering ethics? Uh, Ethics, it is the study of moral principles. Ethics, it is study of moral principles that governs a person's behavior or conducting an activity. Person's behavior, कि अपना behavior कैसा रखें और how we can conduct an activity. Ethics in engineering, then it is the ability as well as the responsibility of an engineer to judge his decisions from the context of the general well-being of the society. कि whatever the decisions कोई ले रहा है वो अच्छा है कि नहीं है, who is responsible for that, whatever has happened, who is responsible for that. So during their engineering studies, the student receive the knowledge of basic science and its application, problem solving methodology, designing, but generally they receive little training in business practices, safety and ethics also. It is a study of moral issues. It is the study of moral issues that confront engineers and engineering organizations when some crucial decisions are taken. When some crucial decisions are taken, they have to be careful for that. Engineering research and practice, it requires that the task being performed considers all the pros and cons. Pros and cons यानी कि पॉजिटिव वे में है कि नेगेटिव वे में है. Pros and cons of a certain action and its implementation. Professional engineering bodies like ASME, IEE, etc. have involved comprehensive ethics codes which was based on the rich experience of their members. Scope of engineering ethics still continued here all. The scope of engineering ethics is two fields like ethics of the workplace. Ethics of the workplace. When we are going to discuss ethics in the workplace, several cases like above, which we have discussed, like Surat accident, it clearly reflects the impact of engineering on society. Moreover, engineers face situations where they have to deal with many things that are not known to them as a result of a design of a new device or product. So wherever you are going to work, you must be able to understand कि ये अच्छा है, what is the good and more better for the society. Before putting these designs into the market or implementing the new ideas, the engineer must see all the aspects. Engineers का rule है, he or she has to go through all the aspects, whether it will work well, its impact on the lives of the public, its working under different conditions and safety measures. Ethics related to the product or work. Yeah, an engineer can never be enough sure that the new design will not have a detrimental change in the society or not harm anyone at all. So check all the kinds of possibilities also. Hence it is important for an engineer to be more imaginative. So once they implement a new product, they must have to be careful. Is it working well or not? Teaching engineering ethics in academic institution is undertaken largely through many case studies for creating awareness interactively among engineering students of all disciplines. Ethics, it is the study of moral principles that governs a person's behavior or conducting an activity, and it is also the branch of philosophical studies that focuses on ethics, which is concerned with studying or building up a coherent set of rules and or principles by which people ought to live. Engineering ethics, it is the rules and standards that governs the decisions and actions of an engineer as a professionals. So during their engineering studies, student receive the knowledge, the basic knowledge, कि whatever the problem solving है, project related कोई practice कोई आप कर रहे हो, और wherever you are involved, you must have to go through in deeply with interest. Awareness of the importance of ethics in engineering. A person must have to be aware of what is going on in engineering ethics. So here, importance of ethics in engineering. They have to check all the kinds of possibilities, and engineer must apply critical and creative thinking here to make sure that a new design will work safely and will not harm anyone. Whatever the new design you are going to implement in society, you must have to think twice कि वो harm कर रही है, नुकसान तो नहीं कर रही है ना, safe है कि नहीं है, that you have to think it. So most engineers do not encounter cases like above where there is a big loss of life, and the issue may create huge disturbance in the society, in the city or the country. But every engineer faces challenging situations that require careful ethical reflection and decision making. So these issues in an engineering practice involves bribery, fraud, fairness, honesty, conflicts of interest, like that. The word ethics, it also refers to a set of or system of moral ideals. Just as it takes the thoughts, ideas of many people to make up an ideology, ethics are a product of safety also. They have to be think what are the pros and cons, which are they have to be gone through it in deeply. जो भी new products they are launching in society, they have to go through it. And because the engineering practice directly affects the lives of the public, it shoulders a big responsibility of their safety. So they have to think twice कि whatever the new technology, new जो भी फ़ोन में है, XYZ एप्पल ब्रांड में है, XYZ में हो, they have to go through it. Is it moral standard वे में बनाया है, is it good or not? So they have to go through it. The Surat case is a sad examples of unethical engineering practice. As you all know that, it shows that how important the engineering knowledge for society and its well-being is. So must have to go through the Surat case. It is a exact example of unethical engineering practice. This places a few challenges. This places a few challenges on engineers as far as decisions are taken. It clearly reflects the impact of engineering on society. Moreover, engineers face situations where they have to deal with many things that are not known to them, but they must have to be ready to accept any challenges, and they have to go through it. जो भी कोई न्यू डिवाइस और प्रोडक्ट जो लॉन्च हो रही है, they have to think it is pros and cons. Hence, it is important for an engineer to be more imaginative. An engineer must apply critical and creative thinking here to make sure that a new design will work safely and will not harm anyone. So, they have to think twice. Okay, it will work effectively and in a good way, and it will not harm to anyone. Thank you very much, dear all.